Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my video. My name is Vel Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. We're going to go ahead and get started with this homemade recipe that I created a long time ago. Actually, I didn't create it. I'm going to stop lying. My girl created it, and I perfected. That's all. Okay? It's called Mama G's Meatloaf. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start out with some seasoning. So we're gonna take seasoning right here. We have 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. We have some black pepper. We got 1.5 teaspoons of that. We're gonna sprinkle that in there. We have some salt. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. The reason why I use only 1 teaspoon of salt because some of the ingredients already have salt in it, so we don't want to overwhelm the meat. And that's kosher salt. We have 1 teaspoon, or no, actually this is 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. We're going to sprinkle that in there. We got 1.5 tablespoons of granulated onion powder. We got some relish. We got 1 cup of relish. We're going to put that in there. Now this right here, it may look like ketchup, but it's not. Okay, it's a form of ketchup, but we ain't going to get into all the technicalities. So anyway, this is chili sauce. I'm going to put 1/2 cup of that in there. We have 1 whole red bell pepper that I use the processor for. I'm going to put that in there. We got 2 bell peppers, green bell pepper we're going to put up in there. I forgot to tell you guys, I have like about 7 pounds worth of ground beef in here. I'm doing this for my homeboy Pete and for the family. So that's why I'm cooking so much meat. He's retiring from the job. I'm not going to get into all that, but this is why I'm doing this. We have about 1 pound of carrots. Well, I just say 1/2 pound. That's what it was. And it's been processed too as well. We're going to put that in there. We got like 4 cups of cheddar cheese. We're going to put some of that in there. I'm just going to eyeball this for now because I don't want it to overfill my bowl. Okay. I have 1.5 packs of crackers I'm going to put in there. Like I said, you don't need salt because you got salt in some of your products. And I got 5 eggs that I'm going to put in there. Okay. I have some milk right here. This is 1 cup of milk that I'm going to add into this mixture. So I'm going to put just like 1/2 cup to get it going because I need to put some gloves on, okay? Putting on gloves, got my gloves on. We're going to put our hands in here and get dirty. Just get in there. Mix this stuff together. You may get some falling out or whatever. You just mixing. Keep mixing. Where I have this board. But what I should be doing, an old school method, folding. Okay guys. That was enough crackers, so I'm going to go ahead and end up using the full 2 packs of crackers. So you can just crush them up like this or whatever. Or you can crush them up in a bowl. I just crush them up like this. We're going to go ahead and add the rest of this cheese, egg to this mixture. It makes this meatloaf super moist. So we're going to put the rest of the milk in there. We're going to go back in there and get dirty. So I'm going to spread this around. Then we're going to fold. Okay? Okay, I'm done mixing this. We're going to go ahead and put these in these pans that I bought. Take your 2 hands or whatever, 1 or whatever, however you want to do it. Just throw it in there. Press down on it. And do not fill this all the way to the top of this pan. Although the meat will shrink. But if you fill it to the top of the pan, then you got grease coming out. But we're going to put this on the pan. And we'll put it in there. Okay? And then we also have a sauce that comes with this. So we have to make a sauce to go with this. Okay, done smashing these. I'm going to pick them up so they can mold into the pan. Okay, you see that? Okay. And we can just shape it back up or whatever. Put the edges down. Okay. So that's one. Okay guys, we have some meat left over. So I'm going to put this in a bowl and I'm going to do a video on that. Stay tuned in for that one. I'm going to go ahead and take this. I already preheated my oven to 400. I'm going to go ahead and let these cook for about a good hour. And then I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on this sauce. What we're going to put on top. Okay, I'm going to start out with a half a teaspoon of mustard. Take a half cup of ketchup. About a cup of barbecue sauce. We're going to put that in there. We got about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar we're going to put in there. We got a tablespoon and a half of Italian seasoning. We're going to give that a mix. And when I tell you this is the best meatloaf you will ever taste, I'm not lying. Try it. Please try it. It is the best. I mean the best. Absolutely best meatloaf. Okay guys, I just took this meatloaf out of there. As you can see, came from the sides. Right there, I told you. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and brush some of this sauce on there. We're going to stick this bad boy back in there for about good 10-15 minutes. Then it should be done. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the meatloaf. And you know, I put a little side on it because I got to actually eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And stay tuned in when I use that leftover meatloaf for something real good. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Vel Doggs signing out.